Hello dear students, today we are going to study the reaction of acid with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate, or metal carbonates and metal bicarbonate. For that we have prepared the solid sodium hydrogen carbonate. You can see here, this is your NaHCO3 I have taken, which is the sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is there with us, the sodium hydrogen carbonate. And then we have the another substance which is known as the Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. Both these substances are kept in a separate watch glass, as you can see here. So they are placed in the watch glass. And now we are going to prepare the solution of these substances. So for that we have two test tubes. We have taken two test tubes. You can see these test tubes. In these test tubes we are going to add water. This is the distilled water that we have. You can see we have filled the test tubes with water. Now I am going to add a spatula full of both the substances into the test tubes respectively. So you can see that I have added the substances to now you can see I am going to mix them. So for that I am going to use a glass where I am going to mix both the substances. You can see how they are being mixed. So now we have the solution of sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate, that we shall place it aside. And then we are going to make the dilute acid solution. For that we have taken water. In this water we are going to add some acid, so we get the solution of acid. Here we have a dilute solution with us. Please remember that when we dilute a solution we should add acid to the water, but not the water to the acid. Now we have two test tubes. So in this test tube I am going to take the solution from the sodium hydrogen carbonate, and in the sodium hydrogen carbonate now I am going to add the acid that we have prepared. You can see the reaction, how the reaction takes place. Just we shall add a drop of acid so that we can see the reaction well. You can see that there are the effervescence of the carbon dioxide gas that we can easily see. So this is how we can see the effervescence of carbon dioxide gas. And then we can do the same to the another test tube. This test tube contains the solution of sodium carbonate. Now we are going to add acid to this solution. Let us see what happens. This is the kind of reaction that takes place, and we can observe it well. Here you can see the effervescence of the carbon dioxide gas, and this is how we can see the reaction well. So I hope, my dear students, you have seen the production of carbon dioxide gas when metal reacts with acid. I hope you are enjoying your studies. Happy learning.